Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Goodreads Bedtime Stories. Today I'm going to read a book called Hungry Babies by Fearne, illustrated by Sheena Dempsey. We are the hungry babies. Look what we can eat. Fruit and veg, milk and bread, sometimes a little treat. Rex eats toast for breakfast. Today he wants to share. Bingo can't believe his luck. What a naughty pair. Honey likes to feed herself. Oh dear, what a mess. Food on her face, and in her hair, and down her pretty dress. Poor Emily's unwell today. Wants cuddles from her mom. No nursery or food for her. She's got a poorly tum. Prakash is at the market, helping Granny shop. Fresh fruit in the basket, and mango down his top. We are the hungry babies, waiting for our lunch. Kid likes to eat bananas. Don't eat that whole bunch. Sophie loves a picnic, her lunch spread on a rug. Sandwiches and strawberries, and juice drunk from a mug. Today is Maya's birthday. She's going out to eat. But Jack is so annoying and won't stay in his seat. He runs around the restaurant, makes bubbles with his straw, hits Maya with his menu, spills juice all on the floor. Then the fish and chips arrive, and Jack eats all his food. Maya's birthday treat is fun, but that burp from Jack was rude. George likes cheese on everything, his pasta and his bread, his yogurt and his jelly, and sometimes on his head. Winnie's in the kitchen, helping Daddy bake. Sausage rolls for tea time, and a giant chocolate cake. We're the hungry babies. Snack time now, says Mom. Yuck, says Tom. Don't like it. Sam says, yummy yum. It's birthday tea at Maya's house. All her friends have come. There's lots of food for everyone, and leftovers for Mom. Yes, we're the hungry babies, from morning through to night, with milk to drink at bedtime as we cuddle up so tight. The end. Hope you enjoy this hungry baby story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing bedtime stories. Thanks for watching. See you next time.